Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this video, I will explain about do-while loop in SAP HANA Studio. And here I have written a small procedure which explains about do-while concept. And here I have written a procedure, create procedure, practice dot while loop procedure. And here the practice is the schema and while loop procedure is the name of the procedure. And here I have added an input parameter, that is I, and this is the syntax how you will write it. Here the input parameter is I, and you have to write like in I and its data type, and it is integer. You can use multiple input parameter, and also you can use multiple output parameter. Now as per the syntax, we have to write as begin, and then I'm declaring the value a, and this is integer, as 2, and declare b as 1. And here one point to notice that whenever you are declaring any value, then you have to give a integer, then colon 2, and similarly you are defining b as 2. Similarly you have to declare b integer and colon and 1. Now the do while loop starts. Here you are giving, suppose my input parameter was I. Suppose the value of I is 10. Suppose in my case here the I is 10. So once your value I is 10, so then this I value is 10. So as soon as your currently the value of a is 2, so 2 is small than 10, so it will do this inner function, that is a multiplied with b, I mean 2 into 1. So this value will store in b, so the value will become 2, and after that the counter value will increase. After that the value of a will be 3. Similarly again it will check this condition when, so this iteration will be up to when the value of a becomes 10. So in this way this do while loop works. And how will you call in HANA Studio? And the function, like you have to write like procedure call, then this procedure, and in the bracket you have to give the value of your input parameter, and here it is 10. So if you just run this syntax in your HANA Studio, and this procedure will be executed. And here in this case I have added only one input parameter. So if you add here multiple parameters or output parameters, similarly you have to add in this, whenever you are calling this procedure, you have to add here in this input parameter. Like suppose I'm adding my another parameter like INY, and that is also integer, and in the similar way you have to add here the value of y, suppose 20. So okay, my main idea to inform you about the do while, how to write do while in HANA Studio. I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.